Ben, I am getting the money now. Wait here.
Ben? The machine took my card.
Lucy. I have no card. You had the only card.
This is all we have. It is not enough. They say, press 1 for English. Press 2 for... I do not know what press 2 is for.
Lucy, stop. We go inside. We talk to a real person. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Excuse me. The ATM took my card. It did not come back. Can you help me, please?
I understand. Which ATM was it? And do you have your receipt?
The ATM is outside, on the wall of this bank. And no, we did not take a receipt. I am sorry.
I understand. We can return your card. But you need to wait. 5 to 7 business days.
5 to 7 business days.
5 to 7 DAS?
Oh, we have 3 coins and 1 small note. Yep.
Wait. Wait. I have emergency money. I always carry emergency money.
Today we learned one important phrase. The ATM took my card. It did not come back. Can you help me, please? Use this at any bank, in any country.
Write one word in the comments. See you in the next story.